Hello, this is Godly from Tolerated Cinematics, and today I will show you a really cool kind of introduction that you can make. That's a lens flare that's making your text up. So it's optical flares over here, so you'll need optical flares for this one. Before I get started with this tutorial, I had some people asking if they could download all the wallpapers I'm making, and yes they can. So just go to my channel and the link to my PhotoBucket account will be over there. So right over here, PhotoBucket, just click on it and you will see all my albums. So over here, wallpapers, you just click on the wallpapers and you will be seeing all my wallpapers I ever made. So of course I have really bad wallpapers over here. Because that's these are the first wallpapers I ever made, so you don't have to comment or hate on that. So these are my recent wallpapers over here, and if you want to download them, just click on them and direct link, and then just paste it over here and hit enter, right click and save image as. So I hope this helped you out. Okay, so let's get started with my tutorial. So over here, we are going to create something like this, and it's really simple to do. Everyone will be able to do this. And as you see, I've made some mistakes over here, a little bit wide, but we'll do this correctly right now. So let's get started. And go to File, New Project, and then go to Composition, New Composition, and just choose your settings. For me, it will be the HD 1080, and let's make it 5 seconds long. I hit OK. Go to the text tool and just write something down. So I will take G from Godly and I will place it over here. And we're going to the pen tool. Just click on the pen tool and start drawing a shape of the text. So take your time for this. Make sure it's in the middle of the text. And just make it a little bit longer than the text. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to Effects and Presets, and if you don't have this one window over here, just go to Window and just check Effects and Presets, or hit Control 5. Okay, so what we're going to enter here is Stroke, and then you will see Stroke over here, Generate Stroke. Just click on the stroke and drag it onto your text. And then we're going to change the color to the same color of the background. Just take your eyedropper and click on the background, hit OK. And the brush size will be high enough till you can't see the text anymore. And you can also still change the pen tools over here. So just like this. Maybe a little bit bigger. Let's make it 50. Okay, so this looks good. You can't see your text anymore. So now we are going to create a new keyframe from start, and make sure you're on 0 seconds, and click on the keyframe and move to 2 seconds long, right over here, and make it 100%. Okay, so now what it's doing, it's creating this text, and now we want to make it an optical flare that's following it. So we're gonna right click, New, Solid, and we're going to name it Optical Flare. And we're going to the mode. If you don't have the mode, press F4 on the keyboard and you will switch to this mode. And go to Add, and then go to Effects, Video Copilot Optical Flares. If you don't have it, you have to buy it on the link in the description. It's from videocopilot.net. So click on the Optical Flare and go to Options and choose a preset. So just over here, we'll choose this preset. As I showed you in my preview, hit OK, and the positioning mode will be mask, and then the mask will be mask 1. And okay, I forgot something over here, so we're gonna close this for a second, and we're going to press M on the keyboard once you selected your text, and then you will see this mask. Hit Ctrl C, and then go over here and paste it, and then just drag it on the text. So make sure it's on the right position. And then we'll choose mask 1, and then we're going back to 0 seconds, and we're going to create a mask keyframe. Then we're going back to 2 seconds over here, and we're going to make this optical flare following all the way to the end. and then we're going back to 0 seconds, and we're going to press T on the keyboard, create a keyframe for opacity, and drag this keyframe a little bit farther, and then change it to 0 seconds. So it begins from 0 seconds, opacity to 100, so it's like fading in. And on the end we'll do just the same thing. So on the end, right over here, I'm going to create a keyframe, and a little bit farther we are going to fade it out. So now we have something just like this. And yeah, there we have it. This is our cool looking text that you're making from this optical flare. You can also do this with logos or anything else. This is just a quick tutorial on how to do this, and you can just add it to whatever you want. You just need one image below. Make sure your image has the same length everywhere, so the burst size can be the same for everything, because if you have a too high burst size, it can mess up a little. So yeah, thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure to check out my channel and like this video if you liked it, and be subscribed for more videos coming soon. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.